we're going to get back onto the project build, get the garage sorted out. I was expecting to get all that done, sandblasters in, etc. Get it all sorted out, then get a project. Unfortunately, one's already turned up. So watch to the end, show you what we got. Right guys, back on the garage build. We're going to crack on with the workbench. Stick some wheels on it, which flip up out of the way so we can move it around easier. That's the main bit we want. It's all versatile in here. So let's get on with that today. See how we go. And then, yeah. I'll come back to you when that bit's done. Let's get a time lapse on the go. So, here we go. Got the wheels under there. On that hinged bit of wood there. Nice and easy to move now. Not dragging it around the workshop. And as crude as it seems, literally got this adjustable spanner. Pull it out. Tip the wheels up. Back down there. Wedge it down. Slip that under. Simple as that, mate. We knew we'd need some sort of lever to get it up there, but that seems to work perfect. So again, just use what you got. Look at that, flip her up, out of the way. So that makes that a bit easier to move around. Now what we've got to do is build something covering the shelves, get that shifted across, and then yeah, let's see if we can get that done this afternoon. Alright, let's give it a go, see how hard it is to move. We moved it all last week, it took us about 10-15 minutes to shuffle it down the workshop. Look at that. It is actually just sliding down this end, but you can get it wherever you want it. Push it. Right, so put some wheels on this this trolley. That's moving okay now. What I was doing when I was rudely interrupted by a mate of mine who come round and I forgot to press record was moved all these shelves about. So as you remember, these two are in the middle, so shifted that one over, put that one there. This one I've put on wheels, so pull it out, fill it up, stuff it back in. Nothing really needs to be seen there. Ooh. That's all stuff which is going to be left there for months, years. Put a cover over it, so if I'm painting or sanding in there, you know, won't be an issue. So let's get into putting all of the dragon's wool and stuff. So that should clear all that lot out. Get that in there. Start getting this side of the garage cleared up. Right, let's get time lapse on the go. I'm sure you're not interested in this, but it's a garage build. Okay, not bad for 5 minutes, 10 minutes work. So I'll just show you what we've done. So we cleared out all that area. Got a little scrag bag down there playing. Say hello. Good girl. Right, so we managed to get most of her stuff in there. That's pull in, pull out. Oh, wait for it to zoom. So all that sort of stuff we don't really use. There's our trays that literally slides in and out. It's on some nice slippery little wheels. We've got plastic floor and it's fine. Pillar drill and some old tools which you don't really use, but don't really want to get rid of them. But again, it's tucked under there. We can pull it out. We can get to everything. So that ain't too bad. Let's get a better shot. So we had it all over the place. Loads of stuff everywhere. Now that corner's all set. And yeah, we're getting a little bit more room back in here. So let's get a bit more clearing up done, and hopefully we'll be able to get something in here to be able to work on. So what we got? Oh, I don't know what I'm going to do next. I'm going to clear that area out. We'll get somewhere to put the bikes. Actually, I think the bikes will probably go in that room. Just tucked in there. Again, everything's on wheels. Pull it in and out. There's a bit more space. So, in fact, yeah, going to quick sort out in that room. Get the bikes in there. We'll get a bit clearer. There we go. Not a bad 10 minutes work. Well, half hour. So we've managed to push everything back into the corners, but everything is accessible. If I want to get that out, do any woodwork or work on that bike, literally pull it out, do the work, etc. I want to use a pillar drill, pull it out. Need anything from the buckets in there, just pull the pillar drill out. It's not too bad. So we're fairly clear in here. So again, we can use our workbenches and stuff. Again, got a nice sort of work area. But what we're going to do, we're going to bring the motorbikes in here, leave them in here. Again, all the little bits, tidying these bits up, sorting this stuff out. Sort of little projects you can come in for an hour, just sort through it. Now we've got some space, sort through it, put it back, and it's all done without being overwhelming like it sort of is at the moment. So, right, let's get the bikes in here, finish the other side up, get things clear, and we'll show you what we've got going on after that. Right, Crack? Yeah. Good girl. Okay. Right, we've got a fair bit of room, so a lot of that's going to be dumped. It's nice and tidy over here. Motorbike was in toolboxes, so in here's fairly clear now, so we can again get in here. There's a few sections I just need to spend the odd 20 minutes, half hour sorting out, but if you want to get in here and do the job, just pull the bikes out. No issue. So I want to be working on this bike, but I'm not sure where I'm going to put it yet. We need to have enough room in the middle for the car, somewhere there. So I don't know whether I have, you know, the toolbox down the side. We tried that last time. Maybe take that shelf down, put toolbox down that side. So 2 toolboxes, then the fruit machine. The motorcycle can tuck in that corner or sideways, it can be moved in and out. And then we've got to have enough room to just get a car in here. So I'm going to spend a couple of evenings out here, just the odd hour here and there. You don't need to see all that. I'll show you what the outcome is. And then all we've got to do is get the new car in here, new project. So I'll show you that now. Chloe, what's the new car outside? What's it called? Big Guinevere. Guinevere. Big Guinevere. Right, we'll show you a picture of that now. See you on the next one. Cheers, guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Right, new project. Look at that. 2017 Connect. 55,000 miles, automatic. Bought it from Copart. Didn't really look over it too well. It's a non-start, been hit where the gearbox is, and the ECU's laying on the floor.